In this video, we are going to learn about access modifiers in C++. Hi, this is Sumant and welcome to Skills Grow. What are access modifiers? Access modifiers are used to implement important features to object-oriented programming known as data hiding. Access modifiers are keywords in object-oriented languages that set the accessibility of classes and other member functions. These are a specific part of a programming language. Note, if we do not specify any access modifiers for the members inside the class, then by default the access modifiers for the members will be private. There are three types of access modifiers. They are public, private, and protected. Firstly, the public access modifier. All the class members declared under the public will be available to everyone. The public members can be accessed by its own class, derived class, and a friend class. The data members and member functions declared public can be accessed by other classes too. Here is the syntax for public modifier. In this, we have declared the member function as public. The next one is private modifier. The scope of private access modifier is restricted to its own class. Private members cannot be accessed by the derived class or in main function. The class members declared as private can be accessed only by the functions inside the class. They are not allowed to be accessed directly by any object or function. Here is the syntax. The data members and member functions are declared private. Here, the private access modifier is given before their declaration. The last in our list is protected access modifier. Protected access modifier is similar to that of private access modifier. The scope of the protected modifier are restricted to its own class and derived class. Protected members can be accessed by the derived class, but they cannot be accessed in main function. Here is the syntax for protected. Here, the protected keyword is used and followed by the data member and member functions. The private data members are restricted to their own class. The protected data members can be accessed by own class and also the derived class. The public member functions and data members can be accessed by own class, derived class, and also by the function main. You will learn more about derived classes in the topic named inheritance. So this is the introduction to access modifiers in C++. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for more content from us.